Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast where we fix the English mistakes that nobody talks about. The small, confusing things, the everyday questions, the moments where you think, wait, did I say that right? I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here with you all today.
Okay, Jack, how are you doing today?
I am doing really well, thank you, Emma. Although, something happened to me yesterday that I have to share.
Oh, what happened?
So I was talking to a friend, and I wanted to ask her, did she watch a film last night?
Okay.
And I said, have you watched the film last night? And she looked at me a little strangely and said, did you watch the film last night?
Oh, Jack.
And I thought, wait, what is the difference? Why is one right and one wrong? They both ask about watching a film.
And that, right there, is exactly what today's episode is about.
My confusion, your lesson. Again.
Always, Jack, always. And honestly, this is one of the most common mistakes English learners make every single day.
Because did you and have you, they look similar, they feel similar. They both ask about the past.
But they work in completely different situations.
And today, we explain everything. Simply, clearly, with real examples. We upload a brand new episode every single day. Okay, let's talk about did you and have you.
Okay, let's start with something simple. Both did you and have you, they ask about the past.
Yes, both are past, both are questions, but
The time is different.
yes, the time feeling is completely different.
And that is the key, the whole difference, the time.
So let's look at each one, starting with
Did you?
did you is the past simple question form. We use it for
Actions that happened at a specific time in the past.
a finished time, a completed time, a time that is over.
Yesterday, last week, last night, in 2020, this morning, an hour ago.
These are all specific finished times.
And when you have a specific finished time, you use did you.
You say, did you watch the film last night?
Last night, specific finished time, so did you.
You say, did you eat breakfast this morning?
This morning, specific finished time, so did you.
You say, did you go to school yesterday?
Yesterday, specific finished time, so did you.
You cannot say, have you watched the film last night?
Because last night is a specific finished time. Have you does not work with specific finished times.
Have you watched the film last night? Wrong. Last night is specific and finished. Did you watch the film last night? Correct. Did you for specific finished times.
This is the most common mistake, using have you with a specific time.
And it happens all the time.
All the time. So, rule number 1.
If you have a specific finished time, yesterday, last night, last week, this morning, in 2020, use did you.
Always, no exceptions.
Now, have you.
Have you is the present perfect question form. We use it for
Actions that happened at an unspecific time in the past.
we don't know exactly when, or the exact time is not important.
What is important is the experience. Did it happen or not?
Ever, never, before, already, yet.
These are the time words that go with have you.
You say, have you ever watched that film?
Ever. Unspecific. We don't know when. We just want to know, did this experience happen in your life?
You say, have you eaten sushi before?
Before. Unspecific. At some point in your life. When? Not important.
You say, have you finished your homework yet?
Yet. Asking if something is completed. When? Not important.
You say, have you already seen this episode?
Already. At some point before now. When? Not important.
You cannot say, did you ever eat sushi? Sounds unnatural with ever.
Better, have you ever eaten sushi?
Ever goes with have you, not did you.
So, rule number 2,
If the time is unspecific, ever, before, yet, already, use have you.
always, no exceptions.
Now, let me tell you about my student. I'll call him Marco.
Oh, a Marco story. Tell us.
So Marco, wonderful student, very hardworking, came to class one day and he wanted to tell me about his weekend.
Okay.
And he said, Emma, have you been to London last weekend?
Oh, two problems there.
Can everyone spot the problem?
Last weekend, specific finish time, so we need did you, not have you.
You cannot say, have you been to London last weekend, because last weekend is a specific finished time.
You say, did you go to London last weekend?
Did you for last weekend, specific, finished, over.
But if Marco wanted to ask about my general experience ever in my life,
Then have you is correct.
you say, have you ever been to London?
Ever been, unspecific, at any time in your life, when, not important.
So same place, London, two different questions, two different meanings.
Did you go to London last weekend? Asking about last weekend specifically.
Have you ever been to London? Asking about any time in your life.
One word changes everything, the time word.
And once you see that, everything becomes clear.
Crystal clear.
Now, let's look at the answers, because the answers also change depending on which question you use.
Yes, very important. The question and answer must match.
If someone asks, did you watch the film?
You answer with past simple. Yes, I did. I watched it last night. No, I didn't. I was too tired.
You cannot answer, yes, I have, because the question used did, so the answer uses did too.
Did question, did answer. Always matching.
Now, if someone asks, have you watched the film?
You answer with present perfect. Yes, I have. It was amazing. No, I haven't. Not yet.
You cannot answer, yes, I did, not matching the question, because the question used have, so the answer uses have too.
Have question, have answer. Always matching.
Questions and answers always the same tense, always matching.
This is very important and very often forgotten.
Very often, but now you will always remember.
Now, let's talk about something interesting. Sometimes you can use both and they both work, but the meaning changes.
Oh yes, this is where it gets really interesting.
Same topic, two questions, two different feelings.
For example, did you read that book? Have you read that book?
Both ask about reading the book, but
Did you read that book? I am asking about a specific time. Maybe I know you had the book last week. Maybe I gave it to you and I want to know, did you read it then?
there's a specific time in my mind, even if I don't say it.
Have you read that book? I am asking about your general experience at any time in your life. Have you ever read this book?
The time is not important. The experience is what matters.
Same book, two feelings, two different questions.
And in real conversation, the context tells you which one to use.
Let's try another example. Did you meet him? Have you met him?
Did you meet him? Specific time. Maybe at a party last night, maybe at a specific event.
Have you met him? General experience. At any point in your life. Do you know him?
Have you met my friend Jack? Asking if you know him, ever met him before.
Did you meet my friend Jack at the party? Asking about the party specifically, that specific time.
See, context changes everything.
And once you feel the difference, you will always know which to use.
Always.
Now let's talk about some very common situations where learners always get confused.
Situation 1. Someone just came back from holiday.
You want to ask, was the holiday good?
You say, did you have a good time?
The holiday is finished, specific time, over. So, did you?
You cannot say, have you had a good time? Sounds strange here because they just came back. The time is clear and finished.
Did you have a good time? Natural, correct, perfect.
Situation 2. You are recommending a restaurant to a friend. You want to know if they have been there before.
You say, have you ever been to that Italian restaurant?
Ever, unspecific, at any time. So, have you ever?
You cannot say, did you ever go to that Italian restaurant? Sounds unnatural with ever.
Have you ever been to that Italian restaurant? Natural, correct, perfect.
Situation 3. You sent an important email. You want to know if your colleague read it.
You say, did you read my email?
Specific email, recent, finish time. So, did you?
Or you could say, have you read my email yet?
Yet, asking if it is completed, unspecific time. So, have you?
Both work here, but different feelings.
Did you read my email? I am asking about a specific time, maybe this morning, maybe earlier.
Have you read my email yet? I am asking if it is completed. When? Not important, just has it happened?
Same situation. 2 questions, both natural, both correct, just different feelings.
And that is the beauty of English.
Small differences, big meanings.
Now, a very important point, American English versus British English.
Oh yes, because this topic, did you versus have you, actually has a difference between American and British English.
In British English, we use have you more.
Have you eaten? British.
In American English, did you is more common in casual conversation.
Did you eat? American. More casual.
So if you watch American films and TV shows,
You will hear did you a lot, even in situations where British English would use have you.
for example, American English, did you hear the news? Very common in America.
British English, have you heard the news? More common in Britain.
Both correct, both natural, just different sides of the Atlantic.
So don't be surprised if you hear did you in situations where you expect have you,
It might just be American English.
which is completely fine. Both are correct.
English has many varieties, and all of them are beautiful.
All of them. Let's do our favorite part, a natural conversation using did you and have you correctly.
Okay, let's imagine Monday morning, 2 friends meeting at work.
Perfect. Emma, how was your weekend?
It was lovely, actually. I went to the cinema.
Oh, nice. Did you enjoy the film?
Yes, it was amazing. Have you seen it yet?
No, not yet. Have you ever been to that new cinema on the high street?
No, I haven't. Did you go there last week? I heard it opened.
Yes, I did. I went on Friday. It's fantastic. Did you eat anything before the film?
Yes, I had pizza. Have you tried that pizza place next to the cinema?
No, I haven't tried it yet. Did you like it?
Loved it. You should go.
And did everyone catch all the uses?
Did you enjoy? Have you seen? Have you ever been? Did you go? Did you eat? Have you tried? Did you like?
7 questions, 1 natural Monday morning conversation, all correct, all flowing.
Did you for specific times and actions? Have you for experiences and unspecific times?
And it just flows, naturally, without thinking.
Because once you feel the difference, it becomes automatic.
Automatic, natural, real, common mistakes, quick and clear.
Mistake 1. You cannot say, have you watched the film last night? Use did you. You say, did you watch the film last night?
Mistake 2. You cannot say, did you ever visit Paris? Sounds unnatural. Use have you. You say, have you ever visited Paris?
Mistake 3. You cannot say, did you finish your homework yet? Sounds unnatural. Use have you. You say, have you finished your homework yet?
Mistake 4. You cannot say, did you eat? Yes, I have. Not matching. You say, did you eat? Yes, I did.
4 mistakes, all fixed, all clear, all simple.
Before we finish, I want to say something.
Say it.
I want to say this topic, did you versus have you. It is one of those topics that seems small.
But it is not small at all.
No, because every day in English, you ask questions about the past, about experiences, about things that happened.
And now you know exactly which question to use.
Did you for specific times.
Have you for experiences.
And that knowledge makes your English more accurate, more natural, more confident.
And confidence is everything in language learning.
Everything. Keep building it every episode, every day.
Because you are getting better every single day.
No matter what.
No matter what. If this episode made did you and have you finally click,
Please like this video. Share this with one friend who confuses these 2 questions.
and leave us a comment. Have you ever visited another country? Write your answer using have you or did you.
We read every single comment, everyone, and we love hearing from you.
Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode. Until then.
Keep talking, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.